Hi everyone. Everything I'm about to explain today comes from recommendations shared by the technicians in this appliance repair shop who have a lot of hands-on experience. So relax. We're going to fix this issue. When a customer comes in with this code, they almost always say, the washer was running fine and right when it was about to spin, it stopped with a UB error. That's when we explain that this error means the load is unbalanced. In other words, the clothes are unevenly distributed inside the drum, and the machine stops itself to prevent strong vibrations or internal damage. Now, something we hear all the time is customers saying, I only put in one sheet or just a few items, and the error showed up. This lines up perfectly with what we see in forums, because when the load is too small or there are heavy items sitting on one side, the drum loses stability and the washer detects it right away. That's why the first thing we do in the shop is something as simple as opening the washer and redistributing the clothes, making sure everything is evenly spread out. One technician told us, I rearranged the clothes and it started like nothing happened. And that's when you realize it's often not a malfunction, but just how the machine was loaded. Then, if the error keeps showing up even with the clothes properly arranged, we move on to check the shock absorbers and suspension, because over time they wear out and can't control the drum movement as well. As one of our technicians says, if the washer can't stabilize itself, it automatically throws a UB error to protect itself. On top of that, we also check if the washer is level, because if it's slightly tilted, it will start vibrating more than normal. In fact, several technicians have told us, I moved it to a different spot and that's when the problem started. And once it's leveled correctly, the error disappears without doing anything else. On the other hand, in less common situations, we check the vibration sensor or the control board, since they're responsible for detecting drum movement. It's not the most common issue, but it can happen, especially in machines with a lot of use. As we always say in the shop, before thinking about expensive parts, check the basics, because that's usually where the problem is.